Okay, so today we are looking at this 20-piece DIY dinosaur painting ceramic kit. This is a product that was sent to me by the manufacturer so that I could make this review. So what do you get in this kit? Well, we start with 20 little mini paintbrushes, 100 bags. I don't know why you need 100 bags for 20 dinosaurs, but maybe if you pieced everything out individually, that's why you would need 100. I don't know, but at least you have the 20 bags. 20 little paint kits, and there's the two different styles. One is blue, yellow, and red. The other is red, yellow, and green. And then 20 different styles of ceramic dinosaur in 10 different styles. Each dinosaur comes wrapped individually in bubble wrap, but you can pull it out, and if you want to put them together, you can put them in the bag. Dinosaur, paintbrush, and paints. And then you can pull this little strip here, and so then it's sticky. Fold it over, and now you've got an individual little dinosaur kit. Now this is awesome because you can use these as party favors. You can use it as an actual craft or an activity for a party. You could stick these in a piñata or an advent calendar. They're small enough that you could do a lot of different things with it, but the important thing is that they're fun. Here are two that my daughter painted for me this week. So this was using one kit, this was using another. And you see, they're super cute, super fun. What a great way to stay entertained over the summer or any other time of the year. Great for parties or other occasions. Check it out.